Everybody, this is Oakland, California. Join me as I take you on this drone view through Oakland on the 4th of July, Independence Day of America. As you can see, the whole city is lit up. You see fireworks all the way from East Oakland to downtown Oakland, and you can even see them a little bit further than that. This is Oakland, California. This is the view you're getting from the Oakland Hills. As you can see, a lot of people is out also checking out the fireworks. So if you like what you see, you know what you do. Go to that YouTube page, Travel with Mike T and Fee, or hit that Mike Drone and Travel. Until next time, y'all, peace, and we out of here.